Mrs. Eager. Some of them are sassy, them and some are set on sure.
Shorty, you have the good. You don't need fear buy no man. You alright. Cause Kartel will come right back to you as soon as he get bored.
You come out here tattoo God in your forehead. You're rich God. Which God? The true and living God? You tattoo in your forehead or the demon where you praise as God?
And Kartel say his sidem bought him that $30 million vehicle. And Kartel is just telling lie because Kartel want to get the attention of Shorty.
VYBZ KARTEL are one of the biggest teacher. We teach them violence. How we kill them one another.
And Kartel career cannot go anywhere without the ray of the Jamaican people.
Rvssian. I heard VYBZ KARTEL want to do a song with me. You gotta cook it up.
I'm a sister from your touchy ground. A right which part you're going from. And this so you pick up back from. No other God where you bow to.
Them a bun me but my fireproof. Send me this the black woman for you and now I'm a fool.
So now people, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, and from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. But people, right now we see we are in which dancehall artist, Valian producer, DJ Mac purchased a new BMW X6 for $16 million. And really and truly, this is a good look for the young youths, them worse if you come from a humble beginning, you see me I say. So right now, I just say big up to DJ Mac for this, you see me I say. And at the end of the day, we all know that this is material things, but you don't know, it's some form of achievement in some way, you see me I say. But anyways people, check out this video and tell me what you think about it.
Oh, clad. Yeah. Bombo clad. Para you that. Bombo clad. Para you, Bombo clad. New piece.
Yeah, so basically people, that is it, as I say. And as we said before, yeah, big up to DJ Mac, just the same. And people, you remember just the other day, VYBZ KARTEL was on an interview where the artist stated that he wanted to do collaboration with Cardi B. And then basically just a couple days after the artist made that statement, Cardi B reacted and said that VYBZ KARTEL is her favorite artist of all time in the entire world. You see me I say? Well, basically right now we have Cardi B a call up on Rvssian, and basically Cardi B asked Rvssian to cook up one of the best song for she and VYBZ KARTEL. But anyways people, check out this video.
Rvssian. I heard VYBZ KARTEL want to do a song with me. You need to cook up the best motherfucking song for us. You gotta cook it up. Stop spending that motherfucking song.
Yes, so really and truly people, as well you can see Cardi B really want to do song with the artist and do a collab, you see me I say, and you don't know, big up Cardi B said we big up VYBZ KARTEL, and people want to share your thoughts on this down into the comment section. But people, right now we also see we're in which Queen Ifrica is blasting VYBZ KARTEL, you see me I say, and basically Queen Ifrica say, yo, why you got tattoo God on your forehead? At the end of the day, which God you talk about, you see me I say, and basically at the end of the day too, she has said VYBZ KARTEL no change, none at all. She has said the same VYBZ KARTEL will go in a prison at the same VYBZ KARTEL come out. You see me I say, and people want to share an honest opinion on that. But basically people want to check out this video from Queen Ifrica.
Turn them in the monster them with them be. We no big God, we no just let out of jail the other day. VYBZ KARTEL are one of the biggest teacher. We teach them violence. How we kill them one another. That's why him supposed to come back the artist right now. If he say him really love the Gaza nation and him really love the love where the fans them are give him. Why you not use it back for God youth and shame me devil? Why you not afraid of God so? Why you not afraid of the Almighty so? But every time you know head of earth, you know foot of earth, you know in a private, I say, do God, please, no make me dead, please, me I beg you. You come out here, tattoo God in your forehead. You're rich God, which God? The true and living God? You tattoo in your forehead, or the demon where you praise as God? Which one of them? My youth, you see, if you're not humble in front of the Almighty Creator and do it right now, me I thought the true and living Almighty Creator. Where you pray to fi make you, fi beg him fi not make you dead. And beg him fi make you come a road. And beg him, and no Father God, where you bow to, can't give you the freedom where you pray for in a privacy, my youth. And me see say from your touchy ground, a right which part you're going from, and this so you pick up back from.
So people, what do you really think about what Queen Ifrica say right to say? As I may say, because basically she's making some very serious accusation against VYBZ Kartel. But people, me gonna leave you to be the judge of all of this and share your thoughts about it down into the comment section. As I may say, also people, we see where in which a female is also attacking VYBZ Kartel. As I may say, and basically this female I say VYBZ Kartel is a bad influence for the youths them. And at the end of the day, she a blast VYBZ Kartel for braiding his ear. And basically she say braids are not for men, braids are for women, you see me I say, and she talk up a bag of thing people, you see me I say, so me just gonna leave you to form your own opinion down into the comment section, so check out this video.
VYBZ Kartel is known as a negative influence to the youths of Jamaica. Alright. Kartel told us to use cake soap. And Kartel went on a campaign with cake soap and bleaching. Because Kartel don't have any regard for the darker complexion. So you see the reason why VYBZ Kartel have sidem. VYBZ Kartel don't have no appreciation for darker complexion. So VYBZ Kartel told the youths them to use cake soap. So everybody bleach out and well white. Till it reached Parliament or the PNP were disgruntled. No! VYBZ Kartel gone to the hairdresser, gone put in braid. VYBZ Kartel took to social media a picture of him in a hairdressing salon braiding his hair. Let us not forget that VYBZ Kartel is an influencer. Now I am waiting to see how many men are now gonna use their woman hairdresser money to braid their hair and cut them children maintenance money to get their hair braid. Kartel, how you going with? How you come out from the government guest and go on with? You don't know say man now wear braid? In Kartel? Since when man wear braid? That is the new style you develop? How you going to know? Have all of the man them now wear braid? You think that is a good style you come out with? Remember say, you are the man, you know. Remember you are world boss, you know, Kartel. And everything that you say a gospel. So now you are telling man them say no, them pick up wear braid. Kartel man now wear braid. Men don't wear braid. A woman wear braid. You need to stop the rubbish.
So basically people, this female is stating that VYBZ Kartel at first did tell the youths them about cake soap and tell the youths them to bleach out them skin, and now VYBZ Kartel come and braid him ear for the youths them follow just the same. You see me I say? But at the end of the day, VYBZ Kartel are gonna do what VYBZ Kartel like. You see me I say? And at the end of the day we know that the artist very influential. But really and truly the artist not tell no man to do what him do. You see me I say? And at the end of the day you can't beat down the artist for that. But people, as what I said before, I want to share your thoughts about this down into the comment section. Also we see where in which this female even attacked VYBZ Kartel concerning Shorty, and basically she had defense Shorty, as I say, and she say at the end of the day VYBZ Kartel actually use sidem to get Shorty jealous and beer thing. But people, instead of me I go tell you, check out this video.
How Kartel is moving to St. Vincent, and he's buying $30 million vehicle in Jamaica. Is it that wherever he goes, the vehicle will ship with him? Kartel now left Jamaica going nowhere. Because Jamaica exciting and Jamaican people excited, and Kartel prey on excitement. Kartel cannot live, and Kartel career cannot go anywhere without the ray of the Jamaican people. And Kartel say his sidem bought him that $30 million vehicle. And Kartel is just telling lie because Kartel want to get the attention of Shorty. But Shorty no need to prove nothing to nobody whether she can afford $2 million vehicle or $30 million vehicle. Shorty is not a snitch. Shorty are real. Shorty are the real deal. Shorty are the real wife. So Shorty no have to can buy man no vehicle to stand out. We already rate Shorty because you know something? The less you give a man, the better we are. Because if I know what I know, the man grateful bad. The more you give them is the more them feel entitled. So, Shorty, you have the good. You don't need to buy no man. You alright. Because Kartel will come right back to you as soon as he get bored with that. See me all joke. As soon as Kartel get bored with sidem and sidem vehicle, he might come right home back.
So basically, people, one time I listen to this, you know what I say to myself, why should I watch the man $33 million vehicle and if the man can carry it to another country or whatsoever, you see me I say, and people, I also want to share an opinion, what you really think about what she really say about VYBZ KARTEL using sidem to get to Shorty, and at the end of the day, it's like Shorty is unbothered by all of this, you see me I say, and at the end of the day, people, me never go say nothing much about it, me just go leave Uno to be the judge of all of this, you see me I say. Also, remember to give this video a like, you see me I say, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest updates from Flava Media Ent TV. But people no already know how we do the thing already. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.